How to fix Windows 11 Defender won't open. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Turn off then on Windows Defender, later. 3. Repair or reset Windows security. 4. Update Windows. 5. Delete items at C:\program data /Microsoft /Windows Defender /scans /history /service /folder. 6. Temporarily disable any other antivirus programs. 7. Run the sfc/scano command as admin. 8. Launch reset this PC option.